In this video, let us learn how to divide the number 350 by 7 using the long division method. Consider the number 3. It is less than 7. That is why we will consider the number 35. From the multiplication table of 7, we know that 7 times 5 is 35. Subtract, we get 0. As 0 is less than 7, that is why we need to bring down this number 0 here. Now see that this is the number 0. So we need to remove one 0. And we know that 7 times 0 is 0. Subtract, we get 0. As we have no number to bring down here and got the number 0, so we will stop. Therefore, 350 divided by 7 is equal to 50. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe the channel.